And I am not going to come into your home when you're looking to sell it and tell you to spend tens of thousands of dollars to prepare your house for sale. I am not about that. Hey everyone, it's Stephanie Ketcher at Remax and love living in Kitchen Waterloo. I'm here today with tip number 5 of my 12 things I have learned in 12 years selling real estate. So today, what we're going to talk about is that you don't need to spend a lot of money to sell your home. I get it. You've been watching hgtv. You think that your home needs to be absolutely beautiful. You think it has to have all the gray walls, all the hardwood floors, all the beautiful cabinets. Guess what? That is not true. Homes sell every single day that aren't perfect. And I am not going to come into your home when you're looking to sell it and tell you to spend tens of thousands of dollars to prepare your house for sale. I am not about that. Just so you know how I do business, I know that you are leaving your home. Why in the world would you want to spend tons and tons of money for someone else to enjoy that in your home? I totally agree with spending money in your home, but do that for yourselves. Do that when you're living there so that you can actually enjoy it. When you're moving out, you've already broken up with that house. So what you're trying to do when selling your house is to basically do the small things. Put in the sweat equity. So if that means painting your trim and baseboards and cleaning your house like crazy, decluttering, I am all for that. But don't spend a ton of money doing it. This is all stuff that you can do yourself as a homeowner. I agree with making your home look fresh and open, so remove as much out as you possibly can while you live there. Make things freshly painted if you can, and answer all those little questions. If there's always been a water stain up in your living room that really you weren't responsible for, that happened before you moved there from a previous bathroom leak, paint the ceilings. Cover those things up. That is no longer a problem for you. You really can't say what happened because it didn't happen when you lived there. So why don't you paint over that and cover up that question? You don't need to have anybody asking questions about your home. Do those small repairs. Fix the caulking, do the painting. If you got flooring that's, a little uneven, maybe fix that. There's lots and lots of small things you could fix. A broken window, a broken blind. All of those little things can be completely fixed for a very decent price. Don't spend tens of thousands of dollars on something that the homeowner who buys your home may hate. There's nothing worse than spending $5,000 on carpet and then realizing the person who bought your home is allergic to anything and can't have any carpet in the home, and then you see that carpet on the curb in the next 2 months after they move into it. It's heartbreaking to spend money to have someone tear it out. And believe me, whatever you choose is probably not going to be right for the next buyer for your home. So don't spend a lot of money making something perfect and to your taste for a buyer who may not like those things. Don't spend the money. Don't waste the money. Put in the sweat equity. Answer the unanswered questions. Make lots of space. Declutter, and make sure it is super, super clean. I'm talking window sills. I'm talking actual windows, inside your dishwasher, your furnace, the nooks, the crannies, all of those places. A super clean home that is a bit dated will still sell. There's nothing wrong with your old cupboards. There's nothing wrong with having carpet if it's not completely stained. There's all kinds of things that buyers are willing to do when they buy your home. They'll fix the flooring. They'll put a new kitchen. Maybe they want to do a whole bathroom overhaul. Maybe a wall needs to be removed in your kitchen to open up to the living room. So why would you put in new cabinets in your current configuration when someone's going to tear it out anyways? So stop thinking about how much money you have to spend to sell your house and start thinking about how you should be getting it ready to be staged. Can they walk through as a group of at least 3 people? Remember, it is always usually 2 buyers and an agent, and maybe their kids are going through too, and they need to have room to walk through the home. They want to know that each room has a purpose. They want to understand what this space is meant to be used for. So stage it like that, or leave it completely empty and let them use their imagination. But do those things in your home, answer the unanswered questions, make sure everything is in good working order, but it does not need to be absolutely beautifully updated like an HGTV show. Your life is not on HGTV. We should really be normalizing normal homes. Normal homes sell every day, and those normal homes maybe have a kitchen from the 70s, they maybe have carpet, and guess what? There's still a buyer out there who wants that, because in my opinion, a home that needs a complete overhaul at a bit of a better price is more attractive to a buyer than a home that has been renovated in the wrong way that they absolutely hate. So if you're selling your home and you want to know what to do to get it ready, have me over. I'm not going to give you a huge long list of replace flooring, paint all of this, do all of that, and spend all kinds of money. I'm not that kind of agent. I'm all about working with what you have and what you can do to get your home to sell. And remember, there's always fun to be had in real estate, so let's get together and have a laugh.